Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tasty tuna sandwich. To begin, gather all your fresh ingredients. You will need high-quality canned tuna, either packed in oil or water, your favorite bread, and a good mayonnaise. Don't forget crisp vegetables like celery and red onion, plus simple seasonings such as salt and pepper. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the delicious tuna salad base. First, drain your canned tuna very well to avoid a watery sandwich. Then, flake the tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl using a fork. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred mayonnaise. For a delightful crunch and flavor, stir in finely diced celery and a small amount of red onion. This is where you truly make the sandwich your own. Season the tuna mixture with about a quarter teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. For an extra layer of flavor and a subtle tang, consider adding 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Fresh herbs like 1 tablespoon of chopped dill or parsley also elevate the taste. Always taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast 2 slices of your favorite bread for a pleasant texture. Spread a generous amount of your perfectly prepared tuna salad onto 1 slice of the toasted bread. If you like, add fresh lettuce leaves and thin tomato slices. Place the second slice of bread on top, cut in half, and serve your tasty tuna sandwich immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.